Today we're going to be making Salvadorian style guacamole. El Salvador is a beautiful country located in Central America, home to incredible dishes and people.
I was born and raised in El Salvador, and I could not be more excited about this recipe.
This recipe actually has some really specific and unique ingredients that set it apart from its counterpart, Mexican guacamole. But before we get started, I do want to invite you to subscribe, like this video, and also click the notification bell. All right, welcome to our kitchen, and the first ingredient is a must.
Eggs.
That's 4 whole large eggs, and don't be surprised because the creaminess of the yolk together with the avocado is just a perfect combination. All right, place them in a saucepan. We're gonna cook them. Now pour some water in there until completely covered.
Inside the pot.
Yes, sorry about that. Now place the pot over medium-high heat. As soon as it reaches a boil, start the timer for 10 minutes as we are looking for a firm egg yolk. While that's happening, Nelson, I'm gonna need you to finely dice 1 jalapeño and make sure you remove those seeds, okay?
I'm ready for this.
While he's doing that, I'm gonna prepare an ice water bath for the eggs because we wanna make sure that they don't continue to cook after we remove them. So I'll just take ice and place it in a bowl.
Okay, how do I devein this?
Yeah, you can just cut it in half.
Okay.
Now take the knife and kind of slice the seeds off. Just be careful.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Not like that, please. We can't be showing that kind of stuff. Be careful, okay?
This is like making an incision.
You can do it, yes. Well, yeah. I'm just gonna add a lot of water in here. We're creating a nice cold bath. Now what you wanna do is kinda slice them.
Okay. This is scary.
Now he's leaving them a little bit bigger than I want them to because I want little pieces in the guacamole. But what we're gonna do is just mince it.
Eventually you guys are gonna hear me going like this.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna take advantage of time and I'm gonna cut 1/4 of a medium red onion.
We're used to using red onion. I don't know if it was because it was all we had, but that's what we used.
I think it pairs perfectly with guacamole because it is milder and it has sweet tones that just pair perfectly. Perfect to add it to the bowl over there. Okay, the diced onion is ready. Can you just add it over there while I check on the eggs? Great, they're almost done. Okay, next we're gonna do the mint hierbabuena.
Okay.
So just take a good generous bunch.
And I mean, this is basically what we used in El Salvador. We never used cilantro for guacamole, so and it tastes so good like this.
You can take off your gloves now if they're getting in the way.
That is true.
Yeah, so just finely chop it. The eggs are done. Turn off the heat. And to stop the cooking process, I'm gonna place them directly into the ice bath. Okay, transfer it to the bowl.
Okay.
Okay, now squeeze half a lime in there, which is about 2 tablespoons.
Sorry. This is easy. Okay, what's next?
The eggs. They are nice and cold now.
We're gonna crack them with this.
No. No, you're getting reckless in the kitchen. I'm not liking this.
Okay, let me breathe.
Nelson is gonna be expelled from the kitchen after this video. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, just be careful. You don't wanna. Wow. Ooh. my goodness.
I knew I had it in me. Not to brag, but look at this.
I'm almost there. Hold on. Is this a raise? When did this turn into a raise?
I beat you to it.
I know. I just like to place them back into the bowl so we can get rid of any extra little shells. Okay, let's raise on this one. I'm gonna try.
Oh boy. Don't put pressure on me now. Oh man.
Uh-oh. Hold on. I'm stuck.
I'm done.
Okay, I was like a second behind him.
I don't know about that.
Here you go. I drained the water.
Okay.
Now we need to dice them.
I don't know where to place them. Right there.
Wow, the things you're confused about.
Hey.
All right, here you go. So Nelson says he likes big chunks.
Yes.
Oh, these are beautiful. Perfectly cooked, just the
Oh,
way
yeah.
I like it. Is this good?
Should be good, yes.
Okay, cool.
Do not follow my technique on cutting with a knife. Thank you.
Set it aside. It is avocado time, and I'm gonna show you how to properly take the flesh out of one, okay?
Okay.
But first, let's talk about how to pick a good avocado. First, you wanna touch it and kind of lightly press, make sure that it is soft but not mushy, okay? We're not looking for mushy avocados. Next, you wanna remove the little stem area, and the inside should look green. So what you wanna do is cut it in half, but make sure it's sitting comfortably on the cutting board and just rotate it, just like that. Twist it to open, and then separate it. Place it on the cutting board and just hit it with the blade of my knife. There you go. Grab it with your hand and twist. Take a paper towel and just remove the seed. There you go. We did it.
Simple.
Cut each half in half and peel the skin off. Okay, I'll start dicing into bite-sized pieces.
Okay.
And we are using 3 large ripe avocados. There you go.
Okay.
I already know how much salt goes into this,
Okay.
but you can do this to taste. Definitely do it to taste. You're gonna do 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. You have mad skill. And as you mix this, you wanna make sure you break up those avocados, but you still wanna end up with a chunky consistency. To top it off, just wait for it. We're doing crumbled queso fresco. Sprinkle it in there. Be generous and do it with love because this is the finishing touch.
I'm trying not to make a
That's
mess,
good.
but
That's good. I think that looks perfect. Look at that. It's a beauty. You guys usually serve this as a side, which is typical for guacamole, serving it as a side. But you can also do chips. We're doing tostadas.
yes.
There you
There
go.
you go. I'm gonna start.
Go ahead. Oh, that looks so good.
Look at this beauty.
I'm in love with this type of guacamole. I really am. You have introduced something special here. I mean, it's so good.
I've been in love with this guacamole. All right, this is yours.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
Such a gentleman.
Now I gotta wait. Are you ready?
I've been ready.
Let's do this. Oh my goodness.
Let me tell you all, this is inspiring. It reminds me of so many things.
Like the flavors are there, but they're delicate. They're indulging. They're captivating.
The mint is a must.
Yes. we gotta wrap it up. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make it at home. Come back and let us know how it went down in the comments area. Also remember that you can follow me on all of my social media platforms, and until the next one.
Until the next one.